Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a Ikea haul. Oh, this is so exciting. I love a bit of Ikea. I'm sure you do as well, that's probably why you're watching. And I did spend quite a bit of money. So very quickly, I currently live on the Isle of Wight with my family and we have moved to a new house. So we've purchased a new house and yeah, I decided to get some furniture for my rooms. I say rooms because I've got two over here currently, and yeah, I decided to purchase my own furniture just for me as well, so you know, when I'm doing my rooms up and in the future as well, when I decide to eventually move out as well, I can take my furniture with me. So I went a little bit ham. I did spend a little bit of money. If you don't know as well, the Isle of Wight does not have an Ikea. My closest one is Southampton, which is very, very close to be fair. It's just a boat journey away, which is all good. But I did make an order as well because the 4 particular items wasn't actually in stock in store. So I had to make an order and I think I paid like £32.50 postage or whatnot, which isn't the end of the world. Like, I know it is kind of like hit and miss with whatever reasons with stuff like that, but I didn't mind paying it. I've got it. They were very heavy, the items as well, so I'm kind of glad I didn't, you know, go over and get them. So the items that I got, I did get some furniture, I did get some mirrors, and I did get some accessories as well, which is really, really exciting. There is a couple of things as well up in the background so that you can see, but we'll get to those in a second. So let's go over the furniture first, and I will insert pictures of it assembled as well at mine, and yeah, we'll go from there. So the first item that I got was the Malm makeup desk. Now, this is an essential. This is such an essential. My second room is going to be my makeup beauty room at the moment, bits and pieces like that, and I wanted a new makeup desk. My old one was all black and white themed. That's how previous bedroom decor and furniture and stuff that I've had many years now. And yeah, I decided to change. I just wanted everything white. My room's gonna be all white and kind of pink themed as well. So I decided to go with the white one. It was £75 as well, which I think is actually really, really good, to be honest. I'm really, really impressed with it. I really like the quality. It's so, so beautiful. And yeah, it's just so exciting. And to match that, of course, I had to get the Alex 9 drawers, which were £99. I do actually remember when they were like 85 to like £90, but they've crept up to 99 since being very popular on YouTube, of course. So yes, for obvious reasons, it's gonna hold all my makeup collection in and some of my kit and stuff like that. So because I am a certified makeup artist, I am actually currently, whilst this is being filmed, doing a makeup course in London, which is so, so exciting. And so I'm bettering my skills going down that route. So again, this is why I've purchased some of the furniture, because I know I'm gonna have quite a bit. And this was all up my own money. You know, I saved for all of this. I knew what I wanted to do, what I wanted to get. And yeah, basically for future preferences as well, I can bring it with me. The next 2 items are actually mirrors. So I got one black one and one white one, and they are actually a floor mirror. Now it's called Nisadal, you get the gist. So they are floor mirrors. They were £45 each, which I think is actually really, really quite good, especially for the prices. The quality feels amazing of them as well, and they're beautiful. They're just the right size I wanted as well. I didn't want anything too big or anything too small, and I just think that they just lighten up my room. So obviously I got a black one for my bedroom, which as you can see, it's kind of white, blue and black themed, and then in my makeup room obviously it's white, so I purchased the black and white ones. And then the next item is this little bathroom unit actually. Now this is Ken. Now I haven't put this one up, it is sat here whilst I've got it. It was £8, which I think is fantastic. So there was a little trolley that I was going to get, but unfortunately it was out of stock in store when I went, and for delivery as well, it just wasn't available. So this is what it looks like. It comes with 4 tiers, and you can kind of see with the picture just there what it's going to look like. So this is going to be for my beauty waxing, because I am qualified in beauty therapy as well. So this is going to hold like my waxing pot, all my bits and pieces, so I can just put it in the side, in the corner of my room, and then it's out there, so I know what I'm doing, and yeah, it's not like hidden away or anything. So for £8, I thought that was really good actually, and it feels really nice quality as well, so yeah, really happy with that. So the next item that's going into my Alex 9 drawers is the Maloren. Now these are a pack of 7. They are little boxes. They are still currently in the box, obviously to hand what I have here, but as you can see, they are now in my Alex 9 drawers. They fit lovely. They were £5. I did pick up 2 lots, and then I went, you know what, I'm gonna put one back. I don't need that much, like for the little bits, because I do have some acrylic storage left, so I'm gonna kind of mix and match it, see what I can play around with. But for £5 for a pack of 7, I thought that was really good. I was really impressed with that. So the next item, I did get 2 of these as well. As you can see, there is one black one right here. So it is, of course, the picture frame rail situation. I can't remember what they're called. It is, there we go, it's on the back. Mosslander. So it is this that everyone has. I decided again to go with the black one. There is going to be a room tour of this room and my makeup room. My makeup room still needs decorating and to do the room tour, but that will be coming, so stay tuned for that. If you're interested in all that kind of style, do hit the subscribe button and make sure you click the notification bell as well, and then that way you'll be notified for when the videos go live. But if my room tour is up already for my bedroom, I'll leave that in the description box below as well. And I did actually do a decorating painting vlog as well if you're interested. Enough of the plug stuff, let's get continuing with the Ikea haul. So I did get a white one as well for my makeup room, and then I got a black one for this room as well. So yeah, really impressed. Really good quality. These were £5 as well. They're just so good. I kind of was gonna get more, and then I thought, no, just calm down a little bit. Now I know I've got white on white walls in those rooms as well, but I think I might just try and mix it up a little bit. You know, I kind of want like coloured prints in like pictures and stuff, so that's why I've got one of these. To be fair, I was just gonna put artwork on my walls, and then I thought I'm gonna get one just in case, because one, delivery is like £32.50 over here, and 2, I can just jump over to the water, don't get me wrong, to Southampton, but I just feel a bit like, oh, I've got it, like, and if I don't use it, I'm sure mum and dad will use it, you know? So speaking of prints and everything, I did actually get 3 different kinds of photo frames. Now these are all the Fisk Bow collection. However, I've only got a price for one of them. I cannot find my receipt, so I do apologise, but I've got 3 different sizes, and the main one that I've got for the price was £1.75, and I did only get one of these, which is the 21 x 30 centimetres, which is this size. So I really do think this is like A4. I don't want to, I'm sure it's A4 inside. I don't want to be like confusing and everything. I'm really not very good with maths, so I've got a really nice print coming for this, which is going to go in this room somewhere. I think I'm just going to pop it on the wall. I'm thinking up there actually. So I'm waiting for the print to be delivered, and then obviously I can pop it in the photo frame and stuff. So yeah, really happy with that. Really good quality. The only thing I will say is that it doesn't come with like glass or anything like that. It's a weird kind of strong plastic. Obviously they're cheap, so bear that in mind, but you do have to like peel back both sides, and then you get that nice sheen, which isn't a problem at the end of the day. And then the second one that I got, another one which I only got like one of, is 10 by 15, and this has got a little picture of me in my brother room with Mickey Mouse. So it's this size, very nice, very cute. They do come with these kind of backs as well, but of course you can hang them if necessary, but of course, you know, I've popped some up that way. That frame is actually not from Ikea, it's actually from Asda if you're interested, but the other one is, which I'll get to in a second. But yeah, I really liked this one. I needed kind of like a smaller one, but I realised I needed an A5, whereas this is not A5, this is, I want to say A6, so I think it's A6, I can't think, yeah. I think so, I don't know. So, but yeah, really cute, so I'm just gonna pop that somewhere. And then the last of the frames, I actually got 4 of these, and the prints that inside are actually from Shein. Now them prints are so big, and I did actually have to cut them down, because that's just the way they are. These ones I don't have a price for, unfortunately, but these are 30 by 40 centimetres. Now, This is how big they are. There is one up there as well, but this is how big they are. They are absolutely huge. This is one of the prints that I got from Shein, which is really nice. It's a material feel, so yeah, just my ring light. But yeah, I really like it. Very, very pretty. Really good quality as well. Like, they feel really sturdy. They're really lightweight as well, so obviously it's absolutely fine on the photo rail, because there is kind of like a weight limit as well to those photo rail things. So yeah, I got 4 of those. So obviously I've got that print there, that one, and then I've got 2 on my wall currently as well. So speaking of Shein, I did actually get a couple of pillowcases now as well. So of course I needed infills, and the infills that I went with are very cheap. So they were £1.50 each. I did actually pick up 3? Yes, 3. I think I got 4, but it's not, it's 3. And they are the Is Frid ones, so 50 by 50 centimeters as well. So yeah, they're okay. They're quite thin. I should have got a couple of the other ones because they were a lot more thicker, but obviously a lot more pricier, and I didn't really realize how like thin they were and whatnot. So just for preference, it's like that thin. Like, as you can see, it goes quite much, but this is the print that I've got on it, which I really like, and very moon-esque vibe. I don't know if you can tell, but they do the job. I'm not, you know, hating on them or anything like that. I just wish they were a little bit thicker. I feel like 2 in 1 pillowcase would work so well. So yeah, I might do that. Like, if again I'm going back and stuff, I might just pick up a couple more. So yeah, but really happy with them. £1.50, you can't really complain. The next item is a pack of 100 Tilvaro tea lights. I don't know if they're scented. I don't think they are scented, purely because I've got quite a few wax melt holders now. I say quite a few, I've got 2. And I've got some tea light holders as well. So I needed some tea lights basically. Obviously I didn't really care for the colour, the smell, all that jazz, but they were a pack of 100 for £2, and they say they're meant to last for 2.5 hours, so 2.5 hours. So not bad, typical little tea lights to light your wax melts. The next item is a little plant. So this plant is the, where are you? Where are you? It is a veg cap. Ta-da! So it is this little, oh, I need to make her all pretty, but it's basically just this hanging plant. Now there was a couple, this is actually new, this one, and I like this a lot because it's actually like a light pale green. There was so many, and I've actually got a Dunelm one just sat there, which are a lot darker, and there was this other looking one, which to be honest, I didn't like. It looked too fake. It looked too fake. This I think at a distance would look quite nice, and the plant was £7, and the pot as well was £2. So the pot you do have to purchase separate. This is the Nippon pot. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this. I really like how it looks. It's just kind of the aesthetic kind of feel. Okay, and then last but not least, I have pretty much done everything. Yeah, last but not least is this basket. Now I've got a plan to get a really big floor plant, but I don't know where. Like, I want an artificial one. I don't want to have to worry about it. I don't want it to get all messy and all soil on my floor and stuff. But basically I saw this plant and I went, do you know what, that kind of colour matches. This is actually handmade. I cannot find it on the website, but it was in the sale. So I believe it was meant to be like £15 or £12. No, it was meant to be like £15, £18. Then it said it was in the sale for £12. Then when it scanned, it actually scanned at £7. And I was like, wow, that's so good. So it's the Tigiville Lips, which is this one, just in case you're interested. But this is what it looks like. I really like it. I like the colour. It's a little bit more warmer than the colour behind on my wall. It is basically the same. However, this camera really just doesn't appreciate this wall colour, so bear that in mind. But yeah, the fact that this was handmade, I love that. Love it so much. I want to get a really nice, like really tall floor plant for it. And yeah, I just really like it. And then the fact it was scanning at £7, I went, what a bargain. So yeah, winner winner. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you'd like to, make sure you hit that notification bell. And then that way you'll be notified when I next upload. And I'll see you guys in a brand new video soon.